Hi, today we're going to do the German twisted cast on. I assume you've looked at our long tail cast on video showing you how to set up for that. The setup for the German twisted cast on is the same, except you need to add a little bit more length to your tail because it uses slightly more yarn than your long tail cast on. So make your slip knot and get your yarn set on your fingers into the slingshot position. We'll begin. You go under the yarn on your left thumb, between those two strands and up. Grab the yarn on your index finger, bend your thumb to untwist the X, dipping your needle through that loop you just made and pull it. So let me show you again. Under, between, and up. Grab the yarn from your index finger, bend your thumb to untwist the X, dip your needle through that loop and pull. So we'll go under, between, up, grab, bend, dip, pull. And one more time slowly. Under, between, up, grab, dip, bend, pull. So if you just say that sort of as a mantra, like with the long tail cast on, you can actually pick up speed. So it's under, between, up, grab, bend, dip, pull. Under, between, up, grab, bend, dip, pull. Under, between, up, grab, bend, dip, pull. So that's your German twisted cast on. On one side, you'll see a row of bumps. If you flip it over on the other side, you sort of see some little V's. It's a little bit more elastic than your long tail cast on. Great for hats, gloves, mittens, anywhere where you want a little more elasticity.